at creating a join query utilizing a test database in the employees and department tables. If you'll notice in the employees table, I've since added a couple more employees along with their corresponding department numbers. So for this exercise, let's go ahead and do a create, but instead of using the query wizard, we're going to use query design. So go ahead and click on that, and this will show you a list of your available tables that you can use to join together. So we're going to add both the department and the employees at this point. Click on employees, click close, and you'll notice each one will have the corresponding table and its assorted fields. If you'll notice this join line right here, I called it the line under department number, secondary key, or the formal name for it is the foreign key. So you'll notice that these tables are joined on a common field, in this case department number. Over here, department number is the primary key of department and the foreign key on the employees table. And correspondingly, the employee ID is the primary key of the employees table. So let's go ahead and create our query. I'm going to click last name, or bring it down, drag and drop, easier way. First name, department number, and manager name. So here are 4 fields we want to do with this combined join here. And we want to put some criteria on it. So for this, in this case, we're going to go with the department of number of 1000. And we'll get into criteria at a later point. But so we've now designated the 4 fields we want to see for a query: last name, first name, department number, and manager name. And the selection criteria, in this case, every employee that is in department number 1000. So let's go ahead and hit the run button up here. And you'll see we have 2 employees, Sam Smith and Mary Johnson. So at this point, let's go ahead and hit the save, and we've now created our query. In this case, again, like in table 1, the default name, we have query 1 as the default query. So we're going to call this employee dash department query, and hit OK. Now we have 2 basic queries at this point.